everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Mark here again. So yesterday on my Instagram I had posted up there that I had received a new package in the mail, a mysterious box from SuperATV, my latest partner. If you didn't see it on Instagram, it's probably because you don't follow me, so maybe you should be following me. Anyway, hopefully you will if you're not. Anyway, SuperATV, obviously very well known in the industry. Everybody knows SuperATV and uses their products. I'm super thrilled to be partnered with them and working on my first project with them in partnership. I didn't say on my Instagram what the package was, so I kind of wanted to leave a little bit of a mystery to it, sorry. So, there's Casey. Hi, Casey. Whoa, you okay? Anyway, I didn't say what was in the box because I kind of wanted to leave it a little bit of a mystery and do an unboxing video for you guys. So today's the day. Let's unbox this sucker and see what it is. Right, okay, so what is this thing? So, or I guess more importantly, what is the difference between this thing and the diff you have in your bike already today? And the main thing is that this differential has, or what I'm hoping for anyway, is essentially the best of both worlds when it comes to four-wheel drive, because in the stock Can-Am differential, as you are all well aware, if you're watching this video, you probably have some level of interest in Can-Am ATVs. But yeah, so this the standard stock Can-Am Visco-Lock diff uses clutch packs inside in order to engage the four-wheel drive mechanism when it detects slippage. However, it doesn't really work well when you're running big super mud tires like I am. Basically the clutch packs wear out because the weight of a big assassinator type tire and just the heavy mud terrain that we ride them in causes the differential Visco-Lock to give out, and then we end up with what we affectionately refer to as three-wheel drive. So what a lot of guys will do outside of that is put, or to deal with that, sorry, is put a Torq locker in it. So that's what I did. So in my bike right now, I currently have Can-Am stock diff with a Torq locker in it, and I don't know, I love the Torq locker in a lot of ways. Like, it is simply amazing in the mud. It really can't be stopped when it's in the mud. However, it does make the bike a little bit hard to turn. And it also makes it really squirrely at high speed when you're in four-wheel drive. So, because I was lucky enough to be able to hook up with SuperATV and leverage my partnership with them in order to test some new parts, I am going to try this diff out. So the whole idea of this diff is that it will give you four-wheel drive, true actual four-wheel drive when you need it, and just regular kind of unlocked four-wheel drive, if you will, when you don't need it. And it's all electronically controlled. As you can see, there's an electronic actuator that you need to plug in here. So when you engage the four-wheel drive, it actually forces it onto four-wheel drive with a magnet system rather than waiting for the rotation like the Visco-Lock does. So what that means is you get actual four-wheel drive when you actually need it, and just regular non-slip, kind of limited slip four-wheel drive when you don't need it, which is great. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. We just got the thing out of the box. We're just sizing it up. Soon, probably early next week, I'm going to look at it getting installed. So we're going to do a full video on the installation of it as well. And after the installation of it, it's time to test it. So I'm really excited about testing this thing out and being able to get that kind of true four-wheel drive instantaneously when I need it, but not have the steering pull of the Torq locker. So please like and share and subscribe and all that stuff that we do on YouTube, or YouTube people ask you to do, to try and help support this video. And I hope you enjoyed it. If you got any questions or anything along the way, please leave it down below in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for your time. Bye.